I tried following some online fashion tutorials in this video. So basically what I'm gonna be doing in this video is I'm gonna be showing y'all what I would normally wear on like a normal school day or just, you know, out. Like I'm not really too complicated with my outfits, but today I'm going to try something different. I'm actually going to, you know, try and style myself a bit better. And, you know, usually I don't really care what I wear to school. I just wear clothes because, you know, that's supposed to do, and you know, I just wear that. And today I'm actually gonna be trying to, you know, make some good outfits using some online fashion tutorials. And this video was inspired by Magnus running, so if you guys can, you know, go check out his video down below, you all can. And also I'll link all the videos I'll be watching in this video to, you know, give me tips, and I'm gonna try and follow them and see how it goes. I got some clothes back here that I'm gonna be using. Basically all the clothes I'm gonna be using are right there, some schoolwork and stuff. And yeah, you know, basically everything I'm gonna be using is back there in the video background. So if you all think you will enjoy this video, go ahead, subscribe below, drop a like, and yeah, I'm gonna also be announcing the giveaway winner at the end of this video. So let's get started. All right, so you know, I've worn this outfit plenty of times. Spring North Face hoodie, gray shorts, you know, blue New Balances. It doesn't match at all in any way, shape, or form really, other than like, you know, this picture of the New Balances. But really, I just wear it because it's really the most comfortable thing. The hoodie's comfortable, the shorts comfortable, and this. I mean, it's winter time, but sometimes I break out the shorts. But you know, I'm gonna start wearing some pants because I got more pants here. But this is just the before, so let's see what happens when we follow this tutorial.
Well, we're gonna be going over some of the best styling tips that I personally know are the best styling tips a man can implement that will match the same color of your shoes to your trousers. Now you do this on purpose because what this does is it
match the same color of shoe to your trouser. We need to change the shoe color ASAP. And I guess these aren't trousers, so let's get started. Okay, so I don't have trousers, but I got some gray sweatpants, so this is gonna work. I have a shoe that will go with it. Now, gray shoes are, I mean, I don't own a pair of gray shoes. It's a very interesting colorway, but the closest one I have that I feel like matches decently are gonna be these. Jordan 1, this is sort of a white sneaker. I mean, I think it'll work fine, so we're just gonna try. If it doesn't work, we're gonna switch the sneaker. We will see. Okay, so we switched the shoes and pants, and actually, it doesn't look bad. You know, they would say you should match your pant color with shoes, which is correct. It's very easily possible. Again, I feel like these could be matched pretty easily. I feel like with a pair of shoes I actually own, so keep that in mind, I guess. But yeah, so far, the outfit's not half bad. I mean, we could change the jacket, but let's see what they recommended. You know, gotta follow the tutorial.
gives you the effect on your body overall that you're taller. And this is because when you add that hard
Short boys,
how to stretch your shoes in the freezer. If you've ever worn, let's say, brand new white
shoes in the freezer? All right, let's see. Let's see this one. This ought to be good.
shoes more comfortable and stretch them out a bit, all you want to do is you grab a Ziploc bag, you fill it up midway with water, then you put that bag inside the shoe and then put that shoe in the freezer. That effect will stretch out your leather and make it more comfortable when it's your first wear.
That's actually pretty cool. Weird, but cool.
Man, you want to wear something that not everybody else wears. Maybe they're not confident enough or they don't know how to wear. For me, that's always a watch.
Let's get an uncommon element. So he was just discussing there, wear something that's like uncommon, get an uncommon element, like an accessory of some sorts. So I think I know what we need to do here. Y'all remember this? I don't think you all can see it yet. I remember this, baby? The Versace ring? Yeah, I haven't worn it since they sold themselves out to Michael Kors. I personally think it was a sellout, that's just why I'm saying that. But yeah, you know, that's an uncommon element, I think. And you know, yeah, that's another thing we can add, but we're not done here because this currently isn't matching very well. I would just want to say the least. I mean, it's fine. It's something I'd wear to school. It's a new fit, I guess. But this is uncommon element. I'm not really gonna wear this after the video, but hey, part of the tutorial, we gotta do it. And I guess you could say you could wear this bag, you know, like a cross or something, you know, as like an uncommon element like that. And you could wear that, but that would go with like a different outfit, which I'm gonna style a few later in the video, following the same steps in the tutorial and using that. But the uncommon element, I get it.
Fourth tip is how to make your cheap clothes actually look expensive. You want dark, fitted, minimalistic, classy, it looks sophisticated instead of cheap and tacky.
Less is more is what I'm getting from this. So less is more and darker colors that look more expensive. Basically like tighter fitting items, more like close-up items. You don't need to wear all the extra stuff is what I'm getting. So basically let's put on some darker colors and maybe make them a bit different, to say the least. Make this fit different, if I'm making any sense right now. Okay, so I'm moving this over here. So what I'm thinking is that we don't need necessarily for them to be like a black color, like necessarily like a darker color. We need it to not be like a lighter color, such as like, you know, like pink or something like that. You know, like obviously brighter colors, but basically darker colors. So I think these let's put on these. These are a good one to start with. And also no hoodies, because let's be real, I mean, hoodies can look expensive, but it depends on which one. And this one doesn't necessarily look like a super expensive hoodie. Just, you know, just looks cheaper. These pants, no sweatpants though, no sweatpants. And this shirt has like a lot of cracking on it too. You can probably notice it. Like, look, you see that already? It wasn't even focused. Look at all the cracking. We're gonna change shirts, but keep it this color. Okay, so I just put on this navy Supreme embroidered shirt. Y'all can see that. And it's, again, minimalistic. It's not like necessarily crazy. And I got this accessory on too. So I'm gonna show you all what if it looks like now. It's not finished. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like now. Okay, so lighting isn't the best right here, but I'm gonna show y'all what the outfit looks like now. So we got the ring still, and we got the navy tee with these sort of blackish navy polo pants, and also with the laser one Jordans. I'm personally actually a huge fan of this fit. So far, for what I'm looking for, minimalistic and sort of cheaper, or not necessarily cheaper, just necessarily like it looks more expensive than it really is in reality, I guess. You know, that's what the guy was talking about, so I'm sort of trying to follow that. But I assume, you know, since it's winter time, we're also gonna need to add a jacket, so hopefully he discusses something on that. But yeah, so far, I think this is helping. This is a lot better than a normal fit I would put together.
Make it look more expensive or more sophisticated, just tuck in your shirt.
Works with anything. So I guess for this one, all I need to do is just tuck in my shirt. Okay, I see it, I see it. It's not actually half bad with these pants. Loki's starting to look like a model, but I'm too short to be a model. 5'9" is not gonna work.
Always have balance on your outfit. Don't pair loose clothing with loose clothing. This is gonna look baggy and messy. Instead, create balance. This gives your body a little bit more proportion.
Let's try proportion next. So with proportion, I'm assuming he's gonna want us to wear some looser fitting stuff. Now, obviously with the balance of color, I'm wearing like darker colors right now, but I can also match my shoes right now. I have a good opportunity to do that. So I'm gonna be wearing the Supreme DNA tee. It's a much looser tee. We're still gonna tuck it in, but we're gonna follow the rules. So there's like the looser fitting sort of thing, but we're gonna tuck it in. Not bad. Okay, so here's what he meant. So obviously the white Supreme DNA t-shirt with these polo pants and Jordan laser ones. I'm actually a huge fan of this fit. I vibe with it. Got the ring on too. So basically, here's the outfit that I came out with from the tutorial. I'm gonna do a before and after, and I'm gonna show y'all some outfits I'm going to make with it. So let's get started. Forgot the shoes. That's it though. Those are all the outfits I really put together. I could have put together a lot more, but I just decided, you know, a few would be good. Just show you what I mean. And I honestly think they were pretty good. You know, I was confident in them, and you know, they felt good. And you know, that was a surprisingly helpful tutorial. Usually I would expect online fashion tutorials to be super generic and just sort of like, you know, telling everyone what they already know. But actually, it was pretty good. There was a lot of really good tips, a lot of up-to-date tips, and some of them were very interesting, such as the water bag freezer trick to expand your shoes. Like, that was crazy. I never heard of that. So pretty good tutorial, I would say. Very interesting. And yeah, if you all want to check that out, you can link, or check it. There's a link down below in the description. And I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. Subscribe and like if you're new. And I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner right now. So let's get into that. So here is the winner on the screen. He's from the UK. Shout out to Henry Goodfellow. You won. And all he did was subscribe to the channel. Very simple to enter in these kinds of giveaways. And I did just select it earlier. I got a video, but it deleted or just didn't save my camera, like it got corrupted. I'm not going to try and recover. I'm just going to redo it. Thank God it wasn't like the whole entire video I just filmed. But basically, shout out to Henry. I'm going to ship this out to you, and I'm going to email you first. So I just want to show you all this so you know it's legit. I'm blurring it out though, because I don't want y'all to get his email and make fake accounts and all that. You know, that's, I don't expect people to go out of their way to do that, but just covering it for his own privacy of his email. But yeah, congratulations to him. He won the giveaway. And that's it for the video. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out. BG got that heat, boy. Murder on the beat, so it's not nice.